can see yellow thing around off that may get that.
So I want to sit in there and spray on it.
You know say a one touch multi-purpose cleaner.
One touch.
Yeah man, also remove scratches, you see me? So any minor scratch in general.
Afternoon.
Yeah, this I like that.
We're working together, you know? Yeah, it's just a promotion thing for this cleaning.
Alright, so
Let me catch you back.
It's a cleaning product, you know?
Big bro.
Yeah, one touch multi-purpose cleaner.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Made from citrus.
Alright, so you see them
Natural.
here now? Alright, so your fingernails, you can grip them.
Yeah.
Fingernail jewelry cost them here. You see me? So as I state, with just rubbing.
You can use it in the household too, you know? Like clean fridge and stove, your settee,
Just rubbing on
the
them.
roof and the car and the seats. And the dirty spot, you see. Remove it.
Actually, remove.
So, you get it to buy?
Alright, I'm not lie to you. So we got the Ruby's gas station, Ocean Race, 8,400. Alright, so basically today as I state, we did upon a production launch. So basically it's a discount just by pulling up at this location today. So basically.
So how much you want of them now?
Alright, so today we got them for a discounted price. As in state, we got them on a special. You purchase one today, you get one free. Alright, so basically that's it.
I just like that. And you get, when I get it's a concentrate one we have.
So when I buy, I mean say how much for one?
Okay. As him say, one for 8,000 on.
Yeah.
And you get one free.
Yeah.
But at the gas station, 8,004.
Yeah.
So we are promoting now. In a month to go there now.
Oh,
and
man.
try to get another location in Mobile also.
Yeah.
So I just promote, we are promoting the thing. It works good, man. Any scratch out for your vehicle, man. You give it a 2 minutes, a 1 or 2 minutes. When you spray it, I give a 1 or 2 minutes. And then you use a wet piece of cloth.
Yeah.
Damp cloth, wipe it, and then I use a dry piece, dry cloth, and then shine them down. Can't work for one of the vehicle. Any of them spot there, you remove it. And make a vehicle look spunky and clean, you know?
Yeah.
If you want, we can get a discount price still if you're interested.
Yeah, but probably me check out your next location because I didn't plan for that right now, but like how you're there, that's why I catch everything.
Yeah man, believe me, as I say, just so you really get the idea of it.
Yeah, I know what you mean, man. And I can see it. They wanna look different.
Fontana will play out left over from
I like them done still.
Yeah man, I know still, but see an idea, see them where they grow at the scale.
Yeah.
An idea, we take it time out, can't the idea don't have
They say near one touch.
believe me, you can also use a ceiling and them things on fabric, you hear me?
Yeah.
So that's my mistake. Believe me.
No money on us still have the an idea them. Or we link up or get the number and set way.
Oh yeah man, for real.
So you know your badness.
I mean man, I'm not very to take see but
Appreciate the time and respect, you know?
Yeah.
If comes to that, man, respect.
Alright.
We understand the thing, you know?
Yeah man,
Things up and things down, I see. And all the while again, money choke, you know?
Definitely.
Alright.